Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you a solution of the problem. So basically this is my Shopify store and you can see this is a product page. So in this product page you can see on the top we have /products in the URL. So before that we have the domain name and then we have the product title. So basically I am interested to remove this /products because in that way my URL will be more cleaner. So how I can do all this for all the products? So in all the products you will see, for example, I am going to a shop page and if I'm clicking on this product, so you can see that on the top we have /products and then we have the slug. Yeah, or you can say that this is the title of the product. So I am interested to remove this /products because in that way it will become more professional and SEO friendly. So when a customer is coming up to our Shopify store, then it will be more easier for them to identify the URL. And even though if we are sharing our URL of any product, then it will be more simpler to share them because this will be more smaller compared to the situation we have right now. So I will show you step by step that how we can do that. Actually, to solve this issue, I have created some code. So I will write some code and additionally I will have to do some settings in my Shopify backend. So this solution is supported for all the themes if you have free themes or paid themes. Right now I'm working on this Horizon theme. If you have any other theme, then still this solution will work. So give me a moment, I'm going to write a code and then I will show you the results. I have done the changes, I have added the code as well as I have done some additional settings in my Shopify store. So let me go to the shop page again and then for example, I'm clicking on this product first of all. And you can see that on the top we have the clean URL without having /products. So in the same way, if I'm going back and clicking on any other product, for example this one, you can see that in the URL we don't have /products. Similarly, if I'm going back and clicking on any other product, for example this one, you can see that in this we don't have /products. So that means our URL is more cleaner now and we don't have any unnecessary wording inside the URL, because in most of the cases you might have seen that if you are using WordPress or any other platform, then you will have the possibility to remove these /products or maybe /pages. But in Shopify it was a little bit harder. So I solved this issue so that you should have the solution for that. So let me take one more example. So for example, I'm going to open this product and you can see that /products has been removed. So in the previous video, I have explained that how we can remove /pages for all the pages which you have in your Shopify store. And in this video, I have explained that how we can remove /products. So in the previous videos, I explained that how you can remove /pages, /policies, /collections. So in this video, I showed you that how you can remove /products. So basically I have this complete solution. So I have created separate videos for each URL, for example /pages, /products, /policies, and in the next video I will show you that how you can remove /collections or maybe /blogs. So if you are interested to implement this same thing into your Shopify store, I have already given the link below in the description. So just you need to click on that and you can buy this service. So if you are facing any issues or something, then definitely you can ask me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.